Step into the world of classic automobiles with this stunning 1941 Ford Street Rod, offered at an enticing price of just $10,995. Located in Belgium, Wisconsin, this two-door sedan is powered by a robust 350 engine, paired with a smooth automatic transmission, perfect for both cruising down the highway and making a statement at car shows. With 123,456 miles on the odometer, this street rod comes with a clean title, ensuring peace of mind for its next lucky owner. It's equipped with power steering and brakes, making it not just a piece of history, but also a joy to drive. Classic Ford enthusiasts and collectors alike will appreciate its vintage charm and modern conveniences. At this price, it's an incredible opportunity to own a piece of automotive history that's ready for the road or restoration. Don't miss out. Check the link in the description for more information and detailed photos. Discover a piece of history with this charming 1941 Plymouth PT 125 pickup, priced at just $10,500. Located in the picturesque Vashon, Washington, this classic beauty boasts a solid body and a strong running gear, formerly believed to be a Seattle City light truck. With only 80,000 miles logged on its odometer, this gem features a smooth-running 1951 Dodge six-cylinder engine and a manual transmission that grants the driver an authentic, hands-on experience. The clean title status indicates a worry-free purchase, while the stripped interior awaits your creative touch to bring it back to life. Stock interior parts are available, or you can customize it as you desire. This classic pickup is not only a reliable ride, but also an excellent investment for restoration or a showcase of nostalgic charm. Don't miss your chance to own a slice of automotive history. Check the link in the description for more information and stunning photos of this eye-catching vehicle. Picture yourself cruising down the open road in this stunning 1941 Pontiac Streamliner Torpedo, a true classic that possesses both character and charm. Priced at $11,000, this beauty has an impressive automatic transmission and a robust 350 engine paired with a 700R4, ensuring a smooth and powerful drive. With only 80,000 miles on the clock, it's a clean title gem that runs and drives reliably. While the exterior carries minor chips and some bubbling, it was repainted in 2018, leaving a striking appearance worthy of attention. The hydraulic flip-up front end adds a unique twist that collectors will appreciate. Although it needs some wiring adjustments to activate the gas gauge and a few interior parts to be perfect, it's fully functional and ready for someone to bring out its true potential. With a clean underside free of rust issues, this Pontiac is a solid investment for classic car enthusiasts or a great project for restoration. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. Check out the link in the description for more details and fabulous photos. Step into history with this stunning 1943 Jeep MB, available for just $12,500 in Red Bluff, California. This iconic vehicle boasts a clean title and a solid history, having only 1,000 miles on its extensive rebuild. Equipped with a robust Buick 231 V6 engine and a smooth TH 350 automatic transmission, it delivers a memorable drive with its enduring 4x4 capabilities. The Jeep not only looks good with its fresh white paint, but it also comes with new 33-inch Hankook tires for those adventurous off-road escapes. Designed for both functionality and style, it features a Kevlar tub and power steering that ensures you can navigate with ease. Whether you're a collector or seeking a unique piece of automotive history, this Jeep is in good condition and ready to roll. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Visit the link in the description for more details and stunning photos. This is a worthy investment that promises both fun and an appreciation in value, making it a fantastic addition to any collection. Step back in time with this 1947 Plymouth Nash, a classic gem priced at just $12,500, located in the heart of Seattle. This beauty features an 8-cylinder engine that runs smoothly, paired with an automatic transmission for a delightful driving experience. Though the odometer reads a rather high 1,111,111 miles, this car's condition is rated as good. The seller has poured over $20,000 into various upgrades, including brand new tires and all-around disc brakes, ensuring it's almost road-ready, though it must be towed for now due to unfinished brake lines. With a clean title and minor rust that can be easily addressed, this Nash also boasts custom upholstery and a powerful Chrysler 440 engine under the hood. Owning this classic is not just about enjoying a unique vehicle, it's also an investment opportunity for restoration enthusiasts. Don't let this chance slip away. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. This 1948 Plymouth PC Super Deluxe is a true gem from the past, a classic beauty that needs a little TLC to bring her back to her former glory. With a flathead 6-cylinder engine, 3-on-the-tree manual transmission, and suicide doors that add that unmistakable vintage appeal, this coupe is a project car that's just waiting for the right owner to breathe new life into it. The car's condition is excellent overall, with only a bit of rust on the rear bumper to address. The paint is a striking green, giving it that authentic retro vibe, and it's a perfect candidate for a hot rod, lowrider, or even to be kept original. With only 300 miles on the odometer and a clean title, this car holds tremendous potential for restoration. If you're a car enthusiast looking for a rewarding project, this Plymouth is a great deal for $12,000. The price is right, and the car is ready for you to put your personal touch on it. Check the link in the description for more details and photos. This could be your next restoration project or the perfect addition to your collection. This 1949 GMC 150 is a rare find for classic truck enthusiasts. With its solid 3/4-ton build and smooth 4-speed manual transmission, this truck is ready to hit the road. It's powered by a rebuilt 228 cubic inch engine, ensuring reliable performance with just 1,234 miles on the odometer. While it's not a show truck, its paint is far from perfect. It's a solid runner with all clusters in working order. Featuring a beautiful wood bed and brand new brake cylinders on all 4 wheels, it's clear this truck has been well maintained. Located in Auburn, WA, it offers a chance to own a piece of history for just $12,500. The truck starts easily and drives smoothly through all gears, making it a fantastic candidate for anyone looking for a project truck or a reliable work vehicle. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Check the link in the description for more details and photos. Given its current condition, the price feels fair, especially considering the truck's mechanical upkeep and potential for a full restoration. Here's a rare find for classic car lovers. A 1949 Packard Deluxe 8 touring sedan, standing tall with a timeless gray exterior and a robust 8-cylinder engine under the hood. This beauty runs, drives, and starts up smoothly with an electric fuel pump installed for convenience. The interior, while fair, adds to the vintage charm of this classic sedan, and with only 82,000 miles on the odometer, it's far from over. The vehicle's manual transmission and rear-wheel drive offer that old-school driving experience that enthusiasts crave. It's a solid contender for restoration, and at $12,495, it could be an exceptional investment for the right person. The current condition is good, and the clean title and registration status mean you're ready to cruise in style once you bring it back to life. If you're a fan of vintage vehicles with character, this Packard is a gem worth considering. Don't miss out. Check the link in the description for more details and photos. Step back in time with this elegant 1949 Nash Ambassador, a true classic that captures the charm of mid-century automotive design. Priced at an attractive $10,000, this beauty has been lovingly owned for over 30 years, with a clean title and just 55,000 miles on the clock. Under the hood lies a powerful 6-cylinder gas engine, paired with a manual transmission, offering a driving experience that feels both nostalgic and thrilling. The condition of this vehicle speaks to its previous ownership, making it a prime candidate for those who appreciate classic cars or are seeking a unique restoration project. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of history with a rare working overdrive feature. This Nash Ambassador is not only a wonderful daily driver, but also a potentially rewarding investment for the right enthusiast. Curious? Be sure to check out the link in the description for more details and stunning photos of this automotive gem. Step back into automotive history with this stunning 1950 Plymouth Special Deluxe convertible, now available in Ventura for $12,500. Powered by a smooth flathead 6-cylinder engine paired with a classic 3-speed manual transmission, this red beauty has traveled 235,236 miles and remains in good condition with a clean title in hand. While it needs new brake pads and has a small paint chip on the right fender, the car starts right up and continues to turn heads wherever it goes. Convertible enthusiasts will love the charm, nostalgia, and presence this car commands, making it perfect for collectors or those seeking a rewarding restoration project. At this price, it's a rare opportunity to own a piece of American automotive history that brings both memories and joy. For detailed photos and more information, check the link in the description.